Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn your pictures into PDFs. So if you need to convert images to PDF for free, you don't need to use a third-party apps or any website to turn your pictures into PDF because you can directly do it on your phone, especially on Android. And here I'm going to show you the way. And then first here you can just go to your albums or gallery, click on this. Then you can just find the pictures that you want to set or convert into PDF. For example, I'm going to go with this folders right here. Now you can just select the pictures or images for the PDF. For example, I'm going to just select this one. You can long press or you can click on this check icon at the top, then select the images that you want for your PDF. You can select as many as you like. In this case, I'm going to select 10 images, and then what you need to do is just click on the three dots icon at the top, this one's right here. So it might be vary based on your Android, but I think most of Android phones can do this or can turn images into PDF easily. And in here you'll see in the options there will be this generate PDF or PPT. So not only PDF, you can also turn your photos into PPT if you want to. Let's tap on this, generate PDF, and then you can see this is the preview of the PDF. You can see it consists of 10 pages, so one pictures each page. Okay, this is the general PDF. If you want to create PPT, you can just change it in here, and then here you can choose to share it or just save it. If you want to share it, you can click on the share button and it will generating the PDF first, and the document will be saved, so you can easily share it to WhatsApp, messenger chats. If you want to, you can also add it in on Canva, and you can also save it or upload it to the Google Drive. But if you want to just only save it, you can click on the save button. But if you click on the share, it will automatically save, and then you can directly share it to your friends or family. So that's how you can generate or turn pictures into PDF. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Bye.